Excuse me. Jenkins, calm down. Ah! Hello! No! Hey. You're almost completely... Yep. You're almost there. I think you broke it. It's done. So...
What is it? Is that the food you want? No.
This is what they call the calm before the storm.
In this big ass cold, going to get some groceries at the grocery store.
Where's the cat?
It's on the other side.
I got $20 in my pocket.
Little girl kitten.
Straight in my belly.
Whip store.
Lactic lamp.
Oh, we're doing the pull through. We're doing the pull through.
I know her.
I hope you don't have school.
I know. I never checked again. I'm pretty sure Jess would have picked me up.
We're going to get supplies for the blizzard.
Move it, move it, move it.
Gosh, shut up!
Move it, move it. We gotta go. We gotta get the supplies to 45. We got the plows over here. Look at it. Get a close up. Get a close up on these plows. Can I get around you, buddy? Thank you. Move it, move it. Stay
ready.
hot. Stay on point, buddy. Get that snow off the ground.
Jasmine's doing drugs.
Alright. We need to talk.
Oh gosh, we're never gonna get back home now. Look at all the snow.
We're never getting home.
Jasmine,
It's gonna start coming down quick.
Jasmine, what are you talking about?
It's gonna start coming down quick.
This is like day after tomorrow.
Way too fast.
Doomsday prepping, log number 1. It is coming. It's definitely coming.
Nice. Everybody
We're
wants
going to get
home.
supplies.
Look at
And
this shit.
Jasmine's talking during the log, and it's definitely making me angry.
No! Oh,
Making me angry!
yes, it's coming.
Board your windows. Trying hard.
It's coming.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's gonna take all of them.
This time, they're gonna take all of me.
All the windows are actually kind of big.
We found a decent location to hold up for the next few days. We're gonna take it over. Oh, look at them! They're going! Bastards. They got to it first.
Oh shit, look at the guy approaching them. Look at the guy approaching them. Look at the guy approaching them.
Where?
You don't see him approaching them?
No.
Oh no!
Oh, there he is.
Oh my goodness.
Place
we
is
gotta go.
swarming with normies. Damn.
Move it. Joshua!
It's unsafe. She wants this one. She likes No, she likes the little meat inside, you know what I'm saying?
If she likes,
She likes this one here. I'm gonna get two. She likes, ooh, tuna. Yeah, she gonna like that one.
does she like treats?
We already got her treats. She likes this stuff. That's in case we run out. I need cat litter.
I was telling you to look at the
So
front.
we just got back from the grocery store. Well, we're back in the car and
It's bad.
it has begun.
Shit. Get my madre on the phone. I think she went to work.
The beginning of the end.
Can you get my mom on the phone?
Keep you updated. So this is what Jasmine decided to buy for the blizzard. That's not too healthy now, is it?
It looks real nice. Too bad Josh ain't getting it.
It sure is.
Oh, not too healthy, huh?
Well, I don't know.
That looks real nice.
Jasmine, what the hell? I don't want any of that.
Okay, good, because I don't really want to share. Oh.
Real nice.
Okay, if I am sharing, this is what you're getting.
Ha! You know what? I'm having about 3-4 slices. Definitely starting to pile up. Oh boy! It's getting nasty out there. It's getting nasty! Ah! Every time I look out the window, there's people walking. They just walk by.
You said for like 5 hours.
You want to say something?
Hey!
Look at this. Look at this guy. Run, buddy! You're not gonna make it! You're not gonna make it!
He's coming from the library.
Oh man, that's some day after tomorrow-ish. What was that guy's name?
Jake Gyllenhaal?
Yeah, Jakey. I don't know where all these people are.
I told you.
There's another one! Stranglers.
I told you they're from Clark.
What do you call them? Stragglers. Stranglers.
Stranglers is not it.
This is not good. Definitely not good.
I heard that places aren't gonna even be. There's another one!
Where?
Right underneath!
Holy shit!
Get in your house! Get in your house! You're gonna die!
He's dead.
Go!
That was the last we saw of him.
That would be a bad time to be killed. Nobody can get out to get you. Actually, it's actually kind of maniacal.
Yeah, you would say some.
Probably could kill you right now and nobody would know.
Yep.
Yep.
What? You talk about me? She's plotting to kill me. Freaking go out there and run out in it then. What's keeping you?
I would only do it if you did it.
Straight out of Dogtown, skateboarding, surfing it up.
You won't this life. You
Oh,
won't go out there and run.
that's what we all about. Living life. Damn. Look at that. Look at all this snow. There's a couple of cars. It's not my car. This is crazy. Ready? I knew it. Damn. That's my car, actually. Right there, under all that. Hey.